Welcome to our lesson on magnetic effect of electric current, lesson 4. So we are just continuing with the magnetic effect of electric current. You realize I have sliced it in small pieces for you to understand. Okay, so what we are going to do is to learn how to make electromagnet, and now we are learning the uses. Okay, so uses of electromagnets. In industries, they are used to lift steel parts. Okay, so maybe there is a heap of scrap materials, a big heap. So the bulldozer at the end of its lever system is fitted with a electromagnet that can attract steel materials and separate it from the rest of the garbage. Number 2, they are used in various parts of devices, like in electric bell, in telephone receiver, loudspeaker, electric motor, and so on. But I will concentrate with one, A, electric bell, and I expect you to do B, C, and D once you have the concept, internalize the concept. Now here I have an electric bell. Okay, I have this electric bell, a circuit with it is a complete circuit. So I want to tell you when this happens. Here I have a switch, here I have a battery, here I have a U-shaped soft iron. This is a U-shaped soft iron. This is a fixed point. The red part tells you about solenoid or a coil. Then we have the contact screw here. You can see it has the pitch. I have this is a soft iron bar. And then I have the hammer, I have the gong. Okay? Now, this is a diagram where you can be asked to label the various parts. You can also be asked, explain its working mechanism. Okay? Explain its working mechanism. So that is what I want to do. So we are starting from this point. The switch is open. And you can have a push button. There are push buttons. Okay? Mostly you get push buttons in such system. So whichever switch you have, it does not matter. We want to start with when the switch is on. When the switch is on or when it is pushed in, okay, the first thing we have to do in our explanation is to maintain the sequence of events, the logic of events. When the switch is on, the circuit is complete. So which circuit? Look here. This circuit is now complete. There, 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 there. So you must know what entails a complete circuit. So when the switch is pushed in or when the switch is on, the first thing, the circuit is complete. When the circuit is complete, the current therefore can flow. So when you tell us when the switch is on, the current flows, it presupposes it was complete, because current cannot flow in an incomplete circuit. Point number 1, current flows. Number 2, when this current now comes here, this will acquire magnetism. We talk of electromagnet. This becomes now electromagnet. This U-shaped soft ion becomes an electromagnet. Okay? And when it becomes an electromagnet, that means it is behaving now like a magnet. In other words, it will be able to attract this soft ion bar. This will be attracted. So you see the sequence. This becomes electromagnet. What is its effect in this setup? It attracts the soft ion bar towards this side. And remember, this system has a hammer at the end, which will be able to hit the gong. Okay, so the soft ion is attracted, the hammer hits the gong, that means the bell is ringing. At the same time, the contact is broken. Okay, the contact is broken. When the contact is broken, the circuit is incomplete. This is the part that completed the circuit. So when the hammer comes this side, it leaves a space. So the circuit is incomplete. Remember we said one of the advantage of electromagnet, it easily gains and loses its magnetism. So it had gained because the circuit was complete, and now since the circuit is not complete, there is no current flow, it loses magnetism. When magnetism is lost, then this spring, which is hinged here, will bring back the soft ion to the contact screw, and therefore the contact screw completes the circuit once more and the circle repeats. So I would want you to go through it after you have understood and explaining it in a logical manner, because one of the test points in exam is to see you are reasoning in a logic manner. I want you to do the telephone receiver and the rest, but start with the telephone receiver. This brings me to an end. Bye bye.